Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Destiny Child Kitchen Review. Please click the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. Thanks, God bless. Our pot in the gas cooker, we turn it up on the fire. Here is my pot. Inside the pot I will put my black fish, ewe, I will put my bush meat, my ribo. I don't have much. In here I will put my snail, I will put my boga fish and my dry boga fish and my string, my dry string, anytime in my dialect. I will be adding the dry grounded pepper, I will be putting maggi, I will be putting my tomatoes, then the water from the dry boga fish which I blend. Paste it inside. I have my salt. I don't measure salt. So I will add water to cook. I will stir. I will stir. This is the best way to cook pepper soup. Best way to cook pepper soup for a nursing mother, a woman that just put to bed. This is the best way to make their pepper soup. I will be putting my pepper soup spices, see, this is the best way to make pepper soup, African pepper soup, because when we use the fresh meat, we use the fresh fish, it's not that too good for a woman that just put to bed. You can use dry scubian, which known as Titus fish. Any kind of dry meat is better than the fresh one. It's better than the fresh one. We use water to rest the rubber that from the tomatoes. We use fresh tomatoes, the seed one, not the cup one. You see, now we are going to cover it. We are going to cover it to cook for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, our pepper soup is ready. It doesn't take much, take longer time. 30-40 minutes is done, is ready. Because everything that we are using is already cooked. Everything. It doesn't take longer time to be ready. This is the outcome of the pepper soup. You can see it's 40 minutes already. So we are going to turn off the gas. Now we just have our pepper soup. This is the outcome of our pepper soup recipe. Please guys, if you like my video, please like, subscribe, please encourage me. Thank you. God bless.